When I first got into the industry, I sold office furniture, and that's the tail end of a project that would be involved with an expansion, renovation, or new build. And the majority of the time, by far, there was always some problem that never allowed us to get the furniture into the space when it was scheduled. It was either a construction issue, a scheduling issue, or what have you. So as I began to learn the industry and see how the methodology of the process worked, it was quite evident that it wasn't working well at all. What were the problems with the traditional approach? Most people understand it as general contracting. Is that three things. One is the design intent sometimes is sacrificed through value engineering. Budgets that are being busted, or busted budgets, and schedules. Three basic things that frequently most people experience in the traditional form. So Solidus, really the effort was to try to eliminate that, and we have. And we've done that now with providing a guarantee on our price, a guarantee on our schedule, and we guarantee the quality of our workmanship for 2 years, material and labor. And we're also an integral part collaborating with the design team, the professionals from architecture and interior design, and helping bring added value from our perspective as contractors, as builders. And so when as we work as an IPD provider, collaborating with all of the disciplines that are involved in a project, there's tremendous value that comes out of that. And what is IPD? IPD is Integrated Project Delivery. It's a delivery methodology where all disciplines are brought together early on to work collaboratively versus the sequential linear process with general contracting approach. An interesting example of that might be a football team. If you could imagine bringing a football team together for the first time, bringing all the disciplines and all the special teams together, never playing together, you get a mess. The best teams in football are the ones that practice together, work together, and of course, consequently, end up being the best performers. The three most important items that anyone has in an expansion, renovations, or new build are how much is it going to cost, what's it going to look like, and how's it going to perform, and how long is it going to take. One of the benefits that we provide our clients for those who don't expand their offices, build new facilities, or renovate, frequently that's something that happens with a lot of small, mid-sized companies once every 10 years perhaps, is they don't really know what the costs are or what they're venturing into. The real nice thing about our process is that not a lot of money is spent up front early on. And so that if in fact we identify a budget where a client may not be comfortable with it, it allows us to go back and revisit issues to try to get to a number that they're comfortable at so that their return on investment works for them. The methodology of bringing construction to people can be a win-win on both sides, for the client and for those that are providing the products and services. So that's why I'm excited about it. I was a general contractor at one time, and it was not a pleasant job. Quite frankly, it was an ugly job. There was lots of conflict and finger pointing between the architects and other professionals and subcontractors, the owner. And my projects today are just fun. They're great. We have developed wonderful relationships with our clients, and I'm just excited about the future.